Padilla yesterday. I don't know how your court does it. Certainly, we would have no objections, but I think in the interest of time, I think the defendant, I think it's clearly competent based on his jail calls, but I think that Mr. Padilla should also file a motion for sanity. If we're going to have the guy seen, we may as well knock out competency and sanity at the same time. Some courts won't do sanity until they're found competent. I don't know what your practice is, but it would make sense if somebody's going to do an evaluation, the sanity be done at the same time.
Mr. Padilla?
That's my custom to just, I want him to be competent first before he's examined for sanity.
Very well. So then let's go ahead and, the court will go ahead and grant the incompetency evaluation. Dr. Talbot will perform that, counsel, unless y'all have another person that y'all want appointed. And after the incompetency evaluation, Mr. Padilla, if you think that we need a sanity examination, then let us know. And I don't know if Dr. Talbot is qualified.
I'm sorry, Judge, there's some interference in the background. I'm not hearing you clearly.
It's the paper shuffling.
Yeah, it sounds like something's coming from Zoom. Can you just?
The court is going to grant the motion for a request for examination for incompetency and appoint Dr. Talbot. And at a later, after the examination for competency, Mr. Padilla will let the court know if he needs evaluation for sanity. And at that point, the court will consider it.
Do I prepare the order?
Go ahead and please prepare the order, e-file it, and we'll have our first pretrial hearing February the 2nd at 10 a.m. And we'll see if the evaluation has already been either performed or scheduled. Well, anything further, counsel?
No, Judge.
No,
Very well.
thank you.
Mr. Jones, you're excused. Very well. Counsel, I saw Mr. Reese raise his hand. Mr. Reese, number 48. State of Texas versus Leonardo Guzman Maldonado, cause number 2508-09026 MCR.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ruben Ramos on behalf of the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Reese on behalf of the defendant, and my client's here under iPhone number 3, Your Honor.
Very well, then. We are set for pretrial hearing. Any pretrial matters?
Yes, Your Honor. The state and I have conferred. We are missing some items of discovery. However, we spoke extensively yesterday, Mr. Ramos and I, so we're working towards getting it. And I think that once we have one more, I think this will be ripe for a plea, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Ramos?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Well, I'll reset pretrial for February 2nd at 10 a.m.
All right. That's the only one I have, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Yes, thank you, Mr. Ruiz. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day, everyone.
You too. Counsel, who's ready? Mr. Ramos, I see your client there from upstate. Let me find his name.
Marcos Maldonado, Your Honor, from
Thank you.
Wisconsin.
Yes, number 87 on our docket. State of Texas versus Marcos Lopez Maldonado, cause number 2010082120 MCR.
Ruben Ramos, Your Honor, on behalf of the state.
Your Honor, Rick Ramos representing the defendant in this case.
And Mr. Maldonado is appearing via Zoom from a different facility. Counsel, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, the state has made us an offer and we had made a counter offer and we're still in the stages of trying to finalize the negotiations. It does seem like it's going to be a plea, but so long as we can finalize the terms that my client wants. I would request we can get one more reset, Judge. I think we could probably get it done by then.
Mr. Ramos?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'll reset plea agreement deadline, entry of plea February 2nd at 10 a.m. If there's no plea, then I'll set y'all for trial in March. Thank you. Mr. Maldonado, you are excused. Thank you.
What number was that one?
That was number 87. It was an afternoon.
Oh, afternoon case. Okay.
No, Mr. Ramos, do you have any other matters?
Yes, Your Honor, I have the Dakota Red. I mean, I don't know, I mean,
Ms. Fuente Chacon asked to recall, and I can recall both of them at the same time, or I can just call your matter.
okay, no, you can just recall them later on when Ms. Chacon is set. That's fine, Your Honor.
Very well, I'll recall those then together.
Yes.
Besides Rand, Mr. Ramos, do you have any other cases?
I don't believe so, Your Honor, at this time.
Diana Cadena Berain, is that yours?
Oh, yes, Diana Cadena Berain, exactly it is.
Number 42, State of Texas versus Diana Cadena Berain, cause number 250809030 MCR.
Ruben Ramos on behalf of the state.
Ms. Ramos representing Ms. Diana Berain, the defendant in this case, Your Honor.
And I see Ms. Berain there appearing via Zoom. We are set for pre-trial. Any pre-trial matters?
We did run into one, Your Honor, that we still have to talk it over with the state because it has to do with a divorce decree that came out on the discovery. But in this case, there was no divorce decree. It was just like a register certificate of a divorce in Mexico, but it doesn't really lay out the like if there was the division of the properties and so forth, and that goes to the heart of this case because supposedly it was a deed that was forged.
I'm sorry, I'm not, there's interference.
This case deals with property that with community property. Actually, we just wanted to see if there was any division at some point in that divorce decree that the state has mentioned, or also we need to make them aware that there is a divorce petition that's filed here in Maverick County in case the Mexico divorce did not take care of the division of the community property.
Very well. Reset for pre-trial then?
Yes, if you can reset us for pretrial, that would be great, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
February 2nd.